Today I'm going to share 3-ingredient baked tortellini lasagna recipe with you. This is super cheap and super quick and easy to put together. So these are the 3 ingredients that you'll need. I found these super cheap at Tesco. You can use any tortellini you like. This one is €2.75. Pasta sauce, again, any pasta sauce you like. This one's got onion and garlic flavored and it was 85 cents. And grated mozzarella, any cheese you like you could use. This one is budget friendly at €1.59. So the 3 ingredients come to just €5.19 or $5.62, making it a really super budget friendly meal. And I've got the blog post down below which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for more flavor variations, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. So let me show you how to make this super easy 3-ingredient baked tortellini lasagna. So I've got out a baking dish. I've just greased it a little bit just in case anything sticks. I've got my oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And the first layer, we're going to just pop down a base of some of the pasta sauce, just a nice layer of that. And then I'm going to do a layer of my tortellini. Just fill up the dish with a layer of lovely tortellini. And then pop over a layer of grated cheese. There you go, went nice and generous with the cheese. And then repeat the layers, and it's up to you if you end up using the whole jar and the whole lot of tortellini. It just depends on how much of all the ingredients you have and you want and how big the dish is. I've pretty much used this whole jar. And then we'll press that next layer of tortellini in. And we'll finish with a final layer of cheese. And as I said, you can add in any other cheese you like. You can top it with Parmesan. You can really just enjoy any cheese you like with this cheesy dish. Just get it at every corner. Okay, now it's going to go into the oven, which I've preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and go in for 45 minutes. Just have a look at it at the 30-minute mark and see if it needs to be covered or how it's all going. But look at those lovely layers. Okay, so that's going to go in the oven, and I'll show you once it's done. And it's out the oven. It's so crisp and so yum, and when you take a nice piece out of it, oh, you can see the tortellini, and it's so cheesy, and the meaty sauce, and it's just incredible. Oh, look at the cheesiness. What a yum meal. But as I mentioned, I'll leave a link down below to the blog post which has the recipe and full step-by-step instructions, so you can make this easy 3-ingredient tortellini cheesy baked lasagna. So good. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.